Number 1. 1996 Ford F-150, price $9,300, well-kept short bed pickup showing 150,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with an automatic transmission and is powered by a reliable 5.0L V8 engine, running on gasoline. Finished in green with a gray interior, the truck presents well overall, with paint that remains in good condition, only needing a little polish to shine even more. The truck is rear-wheel drive and has recently been fitted with 4-inch rear lowering shackles and hangers, giving it a sharp stance. It also has a new driver's side window. The body is free of dents and scratches, and it runs and drives smoothly. While the air conditioning does blow cool, it isn't quite cold enough and could use a recharge or servicing. Overall, this F-150 is a solid example of a mid-90s Ford truck, offering both style and dependability. Number 2. 1988 Ford F-150, price $9,000. This is a beautiful classic truck that has been minimally used, showing only 34,000 miles on the odometer. It comes with an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline engine. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a gray interior, it has been kept in a garage and remains in excellent condition for its age. The truck runs great with no mechanical issues, and the cold air conditioning makes it even more enjoyable to drive. It also features power steering, power windows, and a newly installed stereo system for added comfort and convenience. While the overall condition is impressive, there are a few small imperfections to note. The left rear bumper and the right side view mirror have minor dents, and the right door shows a bit of paint chipping. Number 3. 1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,000, powered by a strong gas 350 motor paired with a 350 transmission, offering dependable performance on the road. It rides on brand new Vision wheels with fresh 10-ply tires, giving it a tough stance as well as durability for heavy use. At some point in its life, the truck was converted to a carburetor, though the reason behind the change isn't clear. The setup works perfectly, allowing the engine to fire right up every time, whether cold or hot. Adding to its character are long tube headers and a cam, though the exact cam specs remain unknown, giving the truck a bit more sound and power. The Chevrolet also blends practicality with convenience, featuring fully functional power windows and power door locks, making it not only capable but comfortable to drive. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1977 Ford F-150, price $9,955. It has 113,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic white exterior, it looks great and runs just as well. Under the hood, it carries the original 5.8-liter V8 351M engine, which has been carefully honed and bored to ensure strong performance. The truck has received a number of important updates and new components to keep it in excellent running condition. It features a brand new carburetor, starter, and power steering gearbox, along with a new power steering pump and drag link for smooth handling. Cooling is handled by a new radiator, while new bushings, brake lines, and brakes add to its reliability and safety. Other improvements include a new muffler, a fresh set of tires, and updated windshield wipers. The truck also comes with a new battery, air filter, and floor mats, making it ready for the road both mechanically and cosmetically. Number 5. 1990 GMC S15, price $3,300, shows 119,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a clean gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior, giving it a simple yet classic look. Under the hood, it is powered by a reliable 2.8L 4-cylinder gasoline engine that delivers dependable performance. The truck runs and drives very clean, with no signs of rust, making it stand out for its age. Recent maintenance has already been taken care of, including new spark plugs, wires, oil filter, a brand new clutch, and both front and rear brakes with new rotors. While the overall condition is strong, the only details worth noting are that the air conditioning is not currently working, and a couple of gauges in the instrument cluster are non-functional. Number 6. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. This pickup is a clean, well-kept truck with a stock V8 engine and automatic transmission. The motor has been regasketed, shows 220,000 miles, and runs strong with no check engine lights, recently serviced with fresh oil and fluids. Inside, the truck has a new bench seat, clean interior, working radio and speakers, along with tinted windows and a new windshield. Though the headliner is missing, it rides on a full suspension refresh with new rotors, brakes, and shocks front and rear, paired with a 3.5 drop that drives smoothly without bottoming out. The truck comes with 18x9 wheels and new tires, all lights working, and only minor dents on the body. Overall, it's a dependable, great-running Chevy 1500 with tasteful updates and a solid presentation. Number 7. 1991 Chevrolet 3500, price $9,000, shows 123,000 miles and is paired with an automatic transmission. Dressed in a bold blue exterior with a contrasting red interior, it runs on gasoline and carries the legendary 454 V8 under the hood. The engine breathes through headers and a full dual exhaust system, delivering both power and an unmistakable sound. To enhance its stance and drivability, the rear has been C-notched and the front fitted with lowering spindles, giving it a tough yet clean look on the road. Despite its aggressive setup, the Chevy 3500 runs fantastic and is ready to be driven anywhere with confidence. Inside, the cabin balances comfort with functionality, offering cold air conditioning for hot days and reliable heat for cooler weather. With its combination of mileage, unique styling, and mechanical upgrades, this truck stands out as both a dependable driver and a head-turner wherever it goes. Number 8. 1982 Ford F250, price $4,500, equipped with a powerful 460 engine paired to a C6 transmission and shows 125,000 miles on the odometer. The truck has been fitted with 2 brand new fuel tanks and sending units, along with a brand new carburetor, while the tires are only 3 years old. The owner removed the bed and painted the rear half of the frame to preserve its condition. There are a few issues that come with the truck. It has an oil leak coming from the oil filter housing gasket, and the transmission is currently out of the vehicle, as the owner had planned on rebuilding it but never completed the job. The brake switch is also locked up, though a brand new replacement is included, and the tank selector valve isn't working properly, but another new one will be provided with the sale. Number 9. 1987 Dodge D150, price $7,000. This truck shows just 91,000 original miles and comes equipped with a 318 V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission and 4WD, finished in blue with a matching blue interior. It runs and drives well, with smooth shifting and solid road manners. The truck does have some rust on the doors and bedwheel wells, but overall it remains quite solid for its age. The tires are starting to get low and a bit noisy, yet the vehicle still handles the road confidently. Inside, the cabin shows its age, though everything is in working order and the radio still sounds as good as new. Powered by gasoline, this dependable classic pickup offers both utility and vintage charm. Number 10. 1979 Dodge D150, price $4,900. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it a dependable classic truck that still holds its charm. The exterior is finished in red, and while the clear coat has worn with age, it creates an appealing patina effect where the color naturally fades from a matte red to a semi-gloss finish along the sides. The black interior offers a clean and classic look, with a bench seat that shows only minimal fading, something that can easily be refreshed with the right treatment. Mechanically, the truck runs well, though the engine may benefit from a bit of extra care to bring it to peak condition. The gauges are all functional with the exception of the fuel level indicator.